If you want to list your domain in GoDaddy Auction, this video will walk you through the process step by step in a simple, beginner-friendly way. Whether you're trying to sell one domain or you want to prepare a name for a future buyer, I'm going to show you exactly where to go, what to click, and what settings matter most. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful software and platform guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, go to GoDaddy in your browser and sign into your account. Make sure you're logging into the account that actually owns the domain you want to sell, because you won't be able to list a domain unless you have the correct ownership access. Once you're signed in, head over to My Products. This is where GoDaddy keeps all of your domains and services in one place, so this is the main dashboard area you'll be working from. From there, find the domain you want to list. Under the domain section, click DNS. This takes you into the settings for that specific domain, which is where you can manage its sale-related options. Now, before you can list it, you need to turn off domain lock. This is an important step because a locked domain can't usually be transferred or prepared for sale properly. So look for the lock setting and make sure it's switched off. After that, go to domain settings. This section is where GoDaddy gives you the options related to ownership, parking, sales, and other configuration tools for your domain. Inside domain settings, click List for Sale. This is the option you want if your goal is to make the domain available for buyers through GoDaddy's marketplace or auction-related listing tools. Next, set your buy now price in US dollars. This is the amount a buyer would pay if they want to purchase the domain immediately. Take a moment here and think carefully about your pricing, because the number you choose can affect how quickly your domain attracts attention. If you want, you can also check the box to add a for sale page. This creates a public-facing page that lets visitors know the domain is available. That can help if someone types the domain directly into their browser and wants to see that it's listed for sale. Once your price and options are set, click Publish Listing. This final step makes your domain listing live, so buyers can begin seeing it according to the settings you selected. After publishing, it's a good idea to go back and double check everything one more time. Make sure the domain is showing the correct price. The sale page option is enabled if you wanted it, and the listing is active. If you ever need to change the price later, you can usually return to the same area and update the listing settings. And that's it. You've now learned how to list your domain in GoDaddy Auction using the domain settings, listing tools, and sale options inside your account. It's a pretty straightforward process once you know where everything is, and now you can do it without confusion or guesswork. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.